Welcome to the project demonstration of cooking gas leakage detection system along with alerting. So in this project we are going to detect the LPG gas by using this MQ04 combustible gas sensor. So it's a combustible gas sensor. It can detect the any harmful gases, methane and LPG. So here we are demonstrating this project with LPG gas leakage detection. So the main application of this project is, so we can use this in industrial or in domestic applications. So in home applications, if is there any gas leakage occur from our domestic gas in while cooking, so this system will detect that if no one is there in the kitchen, and it will give the audible alerts through this buzzer. So here we have provided the gas input from this gas sensor, so MQ04, to the A0 pin of our PIC16F72 microcontroller, and based on that input the system will on this buzzer which we have interfaced at the B0 pin of the controller. So here the whole system getting power supply from this adapter. This adapter will take 230 volts AC inputs and provide us a 5 volts DC constant output. So when we provide that 5 volts DC to the system, it start reading input from this gas sensor. So here the gas sensor working principle is, so inside the gas sensor there is a heaters. So when we switch on the gate, the heater start heat up, and when we input the gas into this sensor, then the conductivity between the electrodes will be decreases. So the controller will get the less voltage. Means when we on that, it's normal condition, the controller will get 5 volts power supply from the output pin of our gas sensor. So when we provide the gas input to that, the voltage drops and it will be reaches near to the zero. So we have coded the microcontroller in such a way that checking of input voltage from the pin, if it is less than the 2.5 or 1.5 volts, then the system will switch on the buzzer directly. So here let us see a demonstration. So just on the power supply, so there is a light indication on this motherboard which will show the power status on the motherboard, and also gas LED status will be displayed from this LED. So when we provide the gas input to that, there will be a light indication on the gas sensor, as well as the buzzer will get switched on. So this much of distance also it can detect the gas. Just you need to light the lighter, just press that gently, so then the gas input will be given that. As we discussed, the conductivity between the electrodes will be decreases, so that the controller will get the low voltage. So when it is normal again, the buzzer will get switched off.